Hello everyone. This here's a little bird cage that I bought at the thrift store, and it was a brassy color. It was really old looking. It didn't look good, so I painted it pink, and I painted it about probably 6 coats of pink, and the last layer, while it was still wet, I sprinkled on some sparkle, and I did add some diamond dust, but it didn't stay that well, so I just sprinkled on more sparkle. And I made this bow out of burlap, and when I cut the edges, it had the wire on the edge here, so I just twisted that up and added it onto the bow along with some ribbon, and I glued on that flower. And in here I store ribbons and laces and flowers, but only pink, all the pink stuff in here. And here's a flower, here's some laces and ribbons that are in here. And right there, I don't know if you can see it, but that's the brassy color that it used to be, that old kind of dingy gold color. But anyways, so I have it here displayed for now. I might hang it up on the ceiling up there, that way it'll just be hanging right there, but I just haven't gotten around to it. Maybe someday. Okay, thanks for watching.